Hello, and today on TextureReview we're going to be reviewing the texture of this here light switch. Now you can get a variety of different sorts of these. This is just a plastic rectangle with the switch in the middle, and it's relatively smooth plastic, nice rounded edges, so if you have kids that like smashing their face and things, they don't smash their face in that and cause themselves a lot of damage. The actual switch is a lot smoother, and then it's got a lip on one end. It's just sort of a ramp, and it just sort of works. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it. It's a light switch, and in fact many sorts of electrical switches come in such a form as that. So if you haven't touched one, I guess you've never turned anything on before, you should perhaps try that. Or don't.